Hi everyone, today we have this platform called Post Affiliate Pro, and this is the best affiliate platform for online businesses. So before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. So make sure to try that out. So now you can see we have a couple of options in here, like for example our campaigns. Now if you are running a campaign and you want some customizations onto that, like for example your commissions, total sales, pending, unpaid, so you can manage that. In here you also have your campaigns manager section from where you can simply manage all of your campaigns. You can see one is already added for demonstration purposes, and this is our first campaign. You can click on this pencil icon to simply edit it. We have our campaign details. Below you have campaign status, so whether it is active, paused, or stopped. You also have your cookies, affiliate linking method, and much more. So if you head over to your banners, you can see the overview about that and various other stuff. Like for example, we also have our affiliates, transactions that are going to be happening, and reports. So that is going to be displaying all of your activities onto your site and whatever you're going to be doing basically. So you can see your payouts, and here you have the overview of your payouts. You can add your transactions in here, your affiliate manager, pay affiliates, and much more. So a really great platform. And you can see we have theme settings, so we can also customize the themes for the app, and it is also available in the dark theme. You can see you can customize your account settings in here, so everything is quite possible. And make sure to give it a try. And you have this dashboard where you can see your total cost of transactions, pending tasks. And so since it is an affiliate, a platform for online businesses, you're going to be needing all of these features. Now talking about Post Affiliate Pro reviews, you can see all-in-one solutions, quick and easy, a great affiliate tool, and feature rich, flexible, and comprehensive knowledge base. So make sure to give it a try using the link in the description, using which you can get extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys around in the next video.